Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to get the pink out of my hair. It's like a light pastel pink, but I wanted to go to blonde for my job interview. So I'm going to show you how to remove the hair color at home without using a bleach. So today we're going to be using hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. So you mix those two together, let it sit in your hair for like 15 minutes, and the color just melts right out. So I got a mixture in my bowl right here. So you kind of want it to be liquidy, but not too liquidy. I don't know if you can see that. I just have baking soda and peroxide in a bowl, and I got the comb to work it through my hair. So the hydrogen peroxide is what's going to swell up the hair molecule and make your hair molecule expand, and then the baking soda is going to wash that color out, because it's a natural whitener. Same thing that's in your toothpaste that whitens teeth. Alright, so let's go. And this stuff is very messy. It will drip a lot and get everywhere, so please make sure you have a towel down. And I like to put a towel around my neck because it will drip a lot. This does damage your hair a little bit from the peroxide, so please be careful. You don't want to do this too much to your hair because it will damage it. Alright. I might need a little bit more peroxide in there. So I'm just going to take this, put a little bit of peroxide, make it a little bit watery, mix it up, just so it can spread evenly throughout the hair, because you don't want it too thick like what is happening right here. So it is kind of liquidy, so be careful. You can already see my hair starting to turn white. Careful not to drip it in your face. Look at my hair's just turning white. Make sure you get the back all the way too. Okay, now that I poured a lot of the peroxide in my hair, now what I'm going to do is take some of that baking soda and just plop it directly on top of my head. And just kind of rub it in. I want to make sure I get full coverage, so I'm washing it out. That way it's not patchy. Put some in the bowl so I can just throw it in my hair. This is what I do when I run out of bleach and I have no more money for product. This is just stuff that you have laying around at home that you can use when you're on a budget. People always ask me, how do you switch your colors so fast? This is usually what I do. That way I'm not bleaching my hair every time. Not too many people know about this. Oh, my roots look so bad. Alright, so I'm going to dip the rest of my hair in the bowl. Like I said, this stuff is very messy. Alright, so I got my hair fully saturated. Now we wait. Look at how white my hair looks. It's crazy. My hair is so fried. feel really heavy too. It's all the powder. Alright, so we're gonna let that sit for like 10 minutes, wash it out, and come back. You can use purple shampoo if you want, but for me, my hair is too absorbent, turns my hair purple. Alright, I'll be back. Hello everyone. So this is the result. I didn't get all the pink out, but for the most part it washed it out pretty good. My hair looks really white, really blonde. I don't see any pink anymore, except for maybe under right here, but my hair is blonde now. So if you guys want to know how to get color out of your hair without frying it off, baking soda, hydrogen peroxide. Remember, treat it just as bleach, only leave it in for like 10-15 minutes. And then rinse it out and gently wash it in the water. So yeah. Alright. Hope you guys learned something. Have a good day. Peace.